Alright, so today what we are going to do is use the relay feedback test to get the ultimate gain and the ultimate period, and we are going to tune a cascade control system, slave loop plus master loop. Alright, so that is what we are going to do. So let's see. MATLAB. So I'm changing my directory to, let's see, 381 lab. Yeah. All right, let's just see what all we have. Cascade.model. Okay, Simulink. File, new, well, open. We're going to open a file, and that file is cascade.model. I hope it opens. Okay. If you look inside cascade.model that has been sent to you, oh man, I've not looked at it in a long time, so let me think about it. Just a sec. Okay, in this case, this y1 is the primary output that needs to be controlled. Y2 is the secondary output that is available to you. All right. So let's close this. Oh shit. Okay, fine. So what you will have is you will be controlling y2 using u, and y1 will be giving the set point for y2, right? That's what you're supposed to do. Okay, so let's just make two PID controllers. Oh man, we need to make a PID controller all over again. Okay, we'll make it all over again. Derivative integrator math operations, there's a gain, I'm making a PID controller. We got 3 sums there. Okay. दो कंट्रोलर हो गए. One will be master, one will be slave. So the slave controller is going to be controlling y2. Okay, master controller is going to be giving the set point for y2, right? Is that clear? Well, I hope the commentary comes. There are no problems. भैया टाइम पे आ जाया करो यार, हैं? खुदा की बारात है, हम सब बाराती हैं, क्यों? So PID I'll call it master and PID I'll call it slave. Oh shit. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. ज़्यादा कमेंट्री नहीं कर रहे यार, बिकॉज फॉर वेरियस रीजंस. Sources, we are going to give a step. So where is the step? And we're going to give all kinds of steps. So step time will always be 0. Step magnitude will usually be 1. So for example, this is a step in the set point of the master. Okay. You're a long way from. Delhi 6 कैसी है यार? How is Delhi 6 as a movie? As usual. 7 out of 10. Okay. Just a second. Clock multiplexer कहाँ गया यार? Signal routing. दो तीन. So what all do you want to? Y1, Y2. Output of controller 1, output of controller 2. Clock. So 5 things, huh? Primary, secondary, slave loop output. Okay, this goes to sim out, sinks. Okay, so right now both the feedback loops are off because there is no feedback in the minus there. So if I give this step, then this would go up as a step, this would go up as a step, this would go up as a step. So this is a step input. In response to this step, y1 and y2 will respond. In response to this step, y1 and this is y2, these will respond. All right. So let's just do that, get the step response and see how it simulation parameters. Let me just check if the parameters are all right. I prefer a fixed step solver. Euler, you're a long way from home, boy. Let's see. There is enough noise in there. Okay. So this is, I think, the primary output, y1. I'll hold on and I'll say plot क्या रे. Yeah, the secondary variable responds faster. Okay, so now we are going to tune the loop for the secondary variable. Okay, the way to do that is what? Keep on cranking up the gain until you get sustained oscillations and then blah blah. Okay, alternatively you could put a relay in the loop, right? Alternatively you could put a relay in the loop. So let's see, I'd like to put a, oh man, बहुत झाम करना पड़ेगा उसमें. You want me to put a relay in there? अरे यार तुम लोग यस कर देते हो, प्रॉब्लम मुझे हो जाती है. So we're going to take the feedback controller out. We're going to go to the Simulink library and I think we got to look at non-linear or something. Discontinuities. There must be a relay somewhere. There's a relay there. Okay. Okay. You're a long way from home, boy. Hey. So this will have to be connected. Y2 goes this way, then goes this way. Then here you got the relay in there. Output when on is 1, output when off is -1. Okay, 0 is steady state, +1 -1 +1 -1, right? Let's switch this off. चला दें? Okay, I think we need the relay output too. Yeah. Okay. And we already have Y2. Let's simulate this. Yeah. Plot. Oh, it's reacting to the noise. उसका what do you do then? Noise हटा दो. But that's cheating, no? Let me think about it. For the time being, I'm going to remove the noise. Huh? ये याद रखना 0.15 है. इसको कर दो 0. Okay, let's play it. See, you're getting those sustained oscillations. And if I am correct, बहुत ज़्यादा देर simulate कर दिया. So let's just reduce the simulation time. Maybe 20 is enough here. So you're getting those sustained oscillations. Hold on. This is the output of the relay which is being overlaid on that. So -1 to 1 to -1 to 1. You see that, and you're getting these oscillations. Okay. So height of the pulse is 1, and if I zoom into these oscillations, इसका कितना height है? 8 into 10 to the power -3. 8 or 9, something like that, right? 8.99. So 9 into 10 to the power -3 is how much? 0.009, right? So what was the formula that I gave you today? 4h by a pi. 4h by a pi, कैलकुलेट करो यार कितना होता है. कितना होता है? 4h by a pi कितना हुआ? भाइयों, h is 1, a is 0.009. 4h by a pi, हाँ, 141.5. एक मिनट रुको यार, आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज द प्रोसेस अ लिटिल बिट. गेन बढ़ा देते हैं. This is too fast, man. I think we'll put some dead time also in there, huh? थोड़ा dead time भी लगा देते हैं. So I'm changing my my model. Transport delay number 1 here, and we also need a ठीक है. ट्रांसपोर्ट डिले बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट आ जा रहा है रिस्पॉन्स. ओके, सो आई वांट टू. ओके, So let's say this is about 2 time units, 1 time unit, and let's say this is about 4 time units. Okay. Yeah, okay, I think I've made the necessary change. Let's do it again. Ha. Now it didn't reach steady state, so we'll increase the time, 100. Ah, so this is what we have. Okay, so let's zoom in. Kitna hai? Point, I would say this is about what? 0.18, 0.1825. So A is 0.1825, H is 1. So what? 4H by A pi, right? 4A, 4, huh? 4H by A pi is 6.98. So K ultimate, estimate of K ultimate is about 7. Okay. Estimate of ultimate period here would be from here to here. Oh man. 38, this is 40, this is 40, so this must be what, 39? And this must be what, 46.5. So 6, 7, 8, about 9, right? P ultimate is about 9. What do you say? From this peak to that peak, how much is it? 44 to about 53, right? 53.5, right? It's about 9.5. So P ultimate is 9.5. So what would the Ziegler-Nichols setting be? I don't know, man. I forget the table. क्या होता है वो? PI. We'll use only a PI controller. Huh? In fact, we'll use a P only controller because controlling Y2 to 0 offset is not necessary. We are only interested in controlling Y1 at its set point. So the slave loop will keep a proportional controller. Master controller will be a PI controller because in the master primary variable we want the primary variable to be at set point. You see, because I am only using P only controller in the slave, I will be able to use a higher gain. Right? So if K ultimate is 7, Kc can be used as K ultimate by 2, about 3, 3.5. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. So I go to my library and I say, so from the relay, it's clear how you use the relay feedback test. Okay. So I delete this, I put my stuff back in. Did it get connected? No. Yeah, now it's connected. And I say that I'm going to use a controller gain of what, 3.5, right? Okay. Notice that I didn't have to do a step test. I just operated the process around steady state. I got sustained oscillations around the steady state, right? Okay. So now my slave loop is tuned. Now I want to tune the master loop. Same thing. अरे यार, cut, delete. इसको हटाओ. Get another relay. Simulink library. Where do you get relay? Non-linear discontinuities. Huh? Relay. Bring in the relay. Now the slave loop is on. Okay, and what? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? अच्छा यहाँ पे ही आएगा. All right, I need this negative signal which is y1. Okay, so the relay is put in there. Again, I'm going to say the relay's limits are 1 and -1. Okay, and I'm having to switch off the noise. We'll see what to do about the noise later. Let me just show you what is to be done. Okay, so relay is in there. Well, 100 की जगह मेरे ख्याल से इसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा, because run it, plot, four. See, I've gotten my sustained oscillations. Okay, ठीक है कि नहीं? So well, again note, after zooming in we'll figure out what this peak is. It's about 0.5. Okay, so A is about 0.5, and from one peak to the next peak it takes about what, 105, 100, this will be what, about 107. This is about 145. 145 minus 107 is how much? Huh? So P ultimate is about 38. So what does K ultimate turn out to be? Estimate of K ultimate using the कैसे? Okay. Pi is 3.14, man. So how much is that? Exactly 2.5. Okay, so K ultimate is about 2.5. We're going to be using a PI controller. So K ultimate by 2.2 कितना होता है? 1.15, 1.16. Okay, so Kc is going to be 1.16. P ultimate कितना? 38. 38 divided by 1.2 is how much? 31, about 31. Okay, so I go to the master controller game 1.16, no, and reset time came out to be about 31:30. Let's just say 30. Okay, maybe 31. And now I put the master controller in where the relay is. अरे यार हमेशा साला ये गड़बड़ी होता है. Okay, fair enough. Run it again. Okay, so this time I'm going to give a step to the what? To the master loop. So final value is going to be 1. So the set point should go from 0 to 1. Run. See the response that I've gotten. Okay, this is with the cascade in there for the primary loop. Okay, now let's say I remove the secondary loop. I remove the slave loop and now I try to tune the primary loop. Okay, well, if you want to do that, ये तो हटा देंगे. I'm doing it, I'm not going to repeat it. All right, जो हो गया, जो नहीं, and I'm not going to save it either. You'll have to do it yourself. इसको हटाओ, इसको भी हटाओ, इसको भी हटाओ. You essentially get just this. Hey man, delete, 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 delete. This is what you get, right? Okay, now I set the reset time to infinity. This time I'm going to get the ultimate gain by using our own sense. So let's say 0.2. Play. Plot. Where is you see? Okay, 0.2 पे oscillation आया but बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं आया. So let's make it 0.4. This time we are not using the relay feedback test, we are just using it the old fashioned way. 0.4. Play it again. Ah, 0.4. Maybe 0.8. कहाँ गया रे? Maybe we'll just use one, man. क्या problem है? हाँ? Play. You're almost unstable. Maybe 1.2. Huh? Yeah. वन पॉइंट थ्री. अरे यार ये घिस घिस के जो है इतनी देर में तो रिले लग जाता. See, but in a plant you can't do this. You're doing it in a simulation, that's fine. But in a plant you can't do this. जब तक फटे ना तब तक चलाओ. जब फट जाए तो फिर अब तो फट गया, अब क्या करना. मेरी 1.5 लगाओ यार. So 1.4 looks like it. Ish. So K ultimate is about, I think, 1.4, huh? Earlier what was it? 2 point something, no? हाँ. अरे नहीं, वो डिवाइड करके आया था. 1.16 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2. 2 पॉइंट. हाँ, 2.5. अरे ठीक है. So period ultimate is from 40 to about, I don't know, 100 and about 100. 40 to 100 is about 60. Ultimate period is 60. K ultimate is 1.4. 1.4 divided by 2.2. Huh? 0.636. But I made a mistake, man. वो रिस्पॉन्स सेव करके रखना चाहिए था. यू वुड हैव सीन हाउ मच फास्टर इट इज. कितना हुआ? 636. रीसेट टाइम कम्स आउट टू बी 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.2. 40 नहीं, कितना? हाँ, 60 डिवाइडेड 100 से, हाँ 160. हाँ, 60 डिवाइड बाय 1.2. हाँ, 50. So reset time is about 50. Let's play it. The last time we did it, in 200 seconds the process had settled. Here the only 2 oscillations are over, the third oscillation is not so you should probably be simulating it for about 300 seconds for the process to settle. So earlier the response was completing in about 200 seconds, now the response is completing in about 300 seconds. Alright. So if you overlay I should have let that figure be, or I should have at least saved that. तो मैंने सब गड़बड़ कर दिया, ठीक है. Doesn't matter. What I'm trying to say is, well, what the hell, let's just do it. इसको hold on कर ले. Y P is equal to Y. इसको सेव करके रख लेते हैं. Let's just do the other one again. कैस्केड क्या करना था, इसमें डालना था ना, डाल देते हैं. कंट्रोल Z करके जाएगा क्या? Oh man, how could, sweet. अबे नहीं यार, ये 0.636 ही रहा. अच्छा ये कितना था? और रीसेट टाइम कितना था? 31. हाँ, I remember. I hope the slave is still the same, or yeah, that's fine. Just push play. There's a song by I don't know who. Just push play. Plot. अच्छा. So what? You can see, for example, the rise time. To rise to about 1 is about 25 seconds. Here to rise to about 1 takes about 35-37 seconds. Okay. So your response is 1.5 times faster, 1.5 guna faster, and so on and so forth. It's purely because the slave loop is now much faster. You see, what is happening is, because I'm trying to control Y2 using a feedback loop, that feedback loop makes this part of the process faster. So earlier this was 3s plus 1 into 6s plus 1 plus a dead time. With the controller in there, the equivalent closed loop time constant is much faster than what it is here. Do you see what I'm saying? That's because you're trying to control the slave aggressively. That's what is going on here. Okay. So overall, from U to Y1, with the slave loop in there, you got faster dynamics. You see what I'm saying? That's all there is to it. This is what I was talking about in the morning. So your assignment is, for this process, using relay feedback test, tune the inner and outer loops. Compare the responses if you did not have an inner loop, just an outer loop, and try and rationalize what you're finding. This is the assignment for this week. Tuning of a cascade control system plus relay feedback test, both. Clear? कोई शक या सवाल? So if there are no shaks or no sawals, then I think what? Noise का क्या करें? Let me think. नॉइज का अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकते. आई नो what should be done. For example, by giving a series of set point changes, you can take y from 0 to say about 1. Okay. Then you give the set point back to 0. Now y will be coming to 0. Okay. Even though it has not yet reached 0, switch off. While it is going from say 1 to 0, let's say at 0.5 you stop the simulation. Okay. Then you put in the relay. With the relay in there, keep on running it. Now what will happen is, when the 0 crossing happens, relay will start flipping. Abhi kya ho raha hai, when I am starting from 0, the noise itself is saying flip and flop, flip and flop, flip and flop. It's flipping and flopping because of the noise. To avoid that, you have to start from somewhere which is way beyond the noise. So say from initial state which is at about 1. Then when you are coming from 1 to 0, then when you get to 0, you will get the flipping. Do you see what I am saying? Or let us see, maybe we should use, okay, let's try this. It's just a trial. 0.15 sana hai. Okay, maybe what we should be doing is, so what we are saying is, relay kahan hai, relay? Where is the relay? Something is गड़बड़ हो गई यार कुछ. Okay, instead of EPS, how much was the noise? No. What was the magnitude of noise? I would say about 0.05. Okay, since you don't know it, let's just forget it. कितना था noise? Noise कितना था? अच्छा, EPS 0.1 कर देता हूँ यार. ये -0.1 होगा क्या? Let's just see if it runs, man. नहीं चलता है फिर कुछ और करेंगे. Okay. But this is saying something. How much is the noise? Point 0.1 looks like it. you got it. You just had to turn the switch on switch off point elsewhere. Earlier the switch on switch off was for EPS, some tolerance. EPS is 10 to the power minus something. Now I am saying the switch on and switch off is for 0.1, which is sort of the magnitude of the noise. So now your relay is not sensitive to noise, right? And it will only toggle state. Do you see what I am saying? अरे हीरो समझ में आया कि नहीं समझ में आया? हाँ, मुंडी हिला रहे हो, ऐसे हिला रहे हो, हाँ या ना? हाँ, समझ में आ गया? So earlier the relay is, I mean, if you look at the symbol for the relay, if you are going from this direction, you will switch on at 0.1, and you are coming from this direction, you will switch off at minus 0.1. Earlier this point was EPS. EPS means 0. So these two limits were very close. So the switching on and switching off was happening because of noise only. Now the noise magnitude is of the order of 0.1. So I specified this to be 0.1 and the lower limit to be minus 0.1. And now we are still getting that, okay, and this can be used to do whatever I just did. All right, हाँ या ना? क्या जी? Okay, so that's that. So this is the assignment for this week. Cascade control system design. Well, this is the process. Everything else will get removed. I'll just mail the process again to you, because we have some dead times in there now, right? By the way, you're also supposed to, oh shit man, I remove, well, छोड़ो यार, ये नहीं करेंगे. Okay, I might as well remove it all. Oh shit. Okay, so this is your process. See, there is a disturbance and then there is a local disturbance. Local disturbance affects the slave loop, D affects the primary loop. That's how it is. D local is added to, you know, this Y2. D is added to Y1, right? So what you should also be doing is, given a step to the local disturbance, okay, if you had the cascade control system in there, how does the primary variable respond? If you did not have the cascade control system in there, how does Y1 respond? And what you should find is that local disturbance by the action of the slave controller gets removed. So there is not much of an effect on Y1. But if you do not have the slave loop in there, this D local will cause a deviation in Y1, then this Y1 will change U, and then and only then will Y1 come back. So without the slave loop in there, Y1 will show larger deviation from set point. With the slave loop in there, it will show smaller deviation. So what this is illustrating is that disturbances local to the slave loop are removed by the slave loop without much affecting the primary output. That's all. For D, I don't think it will make much of a difference. Okay, because D is not local. D is not a disturbance to the local loop. Is not a local disturbance to the slave loop. It's a disturbance to the primary loop. तो उसमें तो वही होगा. Y1 will deviate from set point and get back. But since with the slave loop, the closed loop system is faster, you will still get lower deviations in Y1 compared to had you been controlling using only one loop, no slave loop. Is that clear or no? Right? So these are the things that you are supposed to demonstrate in this week's assignment. And of course, relay feedback test will also be there. Your tuning is using relay feedback test of the slave loop as well as the master loop, as well as the only one loop case. Everywhere you are using relay feedback test. Is it clear or no? So I think I am done for the day. कोई शक या सवाल? If there are no shaks and no sawals, then I think it's time to stop the recording.